We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up NOW stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side, is a bullish green doji. So we do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. So let's zoom in the price. So current price is sitting at 411.72. So if price work its way up, it can head up to that midpoint between those SR lines near the numbers of 435.60. If price action move up from another level from there, it can head up to 472.73 and then making it to 513.98. But if price work its way down from current price, it can head down to that midpoint of that area, which would be near the numbers of, and that's like at the bottom of that price action candle body, which would be near the numbers of 387.18, then headed down to 348.27. So if this market pushes down further, market's coming from that first, second, third, fourth, so we have a double top. Market did break the second level highs. We did not see the market come back to fully retest. So we do have a green candle as a price action side by side with the second last candle. They both look like dojis. So price action, if it engulfs the second last candle, maybe some of that third last candle in the market, because that third last candle is a doji, and then market could come back to retest, and then we'll see that if that market's going to push down further. If not, it'll end up on the opposite side of the SR line, and then that means that the market's working its way up. And if so, market will identify as the first bullish green candle, break up second, third, and then we'll see that double bottom formation, and then prices headed up to the next level. Or that market can consolidate because price action is a doji. Second last candle pushed up to the top, retest the previous candles before that. Side by side price action, second last candle. So we are in that consolidation currently. Working our way to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame identifying as a bullish green candle, and we can see that that market is now if price push up from this area, market came down to the area of support, and we identify as a first, second, third, and we'll see that market push up for that fourth leg, fully break out. So market is in the midpoint of that area. Current price is the midpoint between that resistance and support. So as we walk down the time frame, we're going to take a look at what's going on in that area. Is the market's having a hard time to push up further? Because if so, we won't see that close out for that formation of that W for the break and retest. But what it would look like is that market broke, retest, and then we push back down, coming from a first, second, third bearish red candle, engulf the price action. Market's creating that double top formation in that area. Now let's receive a side-by-side consolidation candle, or I should say doji. On the daily time frame, price action calling for a bearish red doji, came back to retest with the second last candle. So price coming from a pattern overall. So it's filling the dots. First, second, third, fourth, retest, market pushed up. There's a few pushes down to that bottom, look like a quadruple bottom, and the market pushed up. Very long gap in the market. Second last candle came back to retest, price action came back to retest. So price action is still within that second last candle. It's like a decline double top happening in that area, and we'll see if we can identify that as we walk down the time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, price action is a bearish red candle, very small. Second last candle is a doji. So we're looking for price to engulf that second to last candle body second last candle wick of that doji, and maybe some of that third to last candle doji wick as well. And so we're looking for the breakout to the top side or downside in that area. So the market is in the midpoint of that zone. So something's trying to form at this high. We have market spiked up for that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market pushed down. So it's like a double top and a retest happening on that 4-hour time frame. And also it's a pattern inside a pattern. So it looks like some type of wedge pattern. Because if we connect the resistance, connect those support, which is already on the SR line, so market's in a wedge pattern. Even if we took a trend line and just grab the wick and bring it up to that other point, we can also see a pointer. So we walk down the time frame, we can see that market's bouncing up and down in that area. Even the second last candle spiked that low, but still price action headed back to that midpoint. 2-hour time frame, price second side by side within that third last candle. You want to see the breakout of that third last candle, the top side or downside. Market consolidating, headed down to the 1 hour. Same as well. So market broke, retest. We're going to see if it's going to push down further. If not, it can be respected at the midpoint line to work its way back up. And then it will identify as a W formation of that decline W with that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up all together. 3 pushes down to that bottom, double bottom, and retest. 45-minute time frame, reading the same thing side by side within the second and third last candle. Market still consolidating. Walking down to the 30-minute time frame. Price action still side by side, trying to break that third to last candle wick and close out to push that market down further. And the same as the 15-minute time frame, looking for the engulfment of the fifth to last candle in the market wick of that doji spike down. 5-minute time frame, we can see that market broke that midpoint line. Now we can start to see that formation of that double top. So we have that first, second, third, fourth double top. Market broke, bullish green candle trying to form. So we're going to see how far it's going to come back to retest for that market to push down from a double top and retest. So we still got bearish red candles, so market's still working its way down, trying to engulf this previous area to the left hand side. 3-minute time frame. Price action, bearish red candle engulfment. So it's working its way down further. Breaking retest, break, retest, push. 1-minute time frame. Same as well, again, very choppy. So you can see the levels in there, break, retest, break. See it now, we look for the market to retest. If it pushes down just a little bit further, it can come back at least to that midpoint of above price. Okay guys, very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, break on retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. NOW Stock.